Hi guys, and welcome back to If Only April. So today's video is gonna be part 2 of Christmas with April series. Oh! If you haven't seen the first part, make sure to do so. I made there the natural wreath from natural materials and also stockings and stocking holders and a lot of other fun stuff. So make sure to check that out, and let's get to today's video. So today I'm going to show you how to make 2 advent calendars. But let me tell you a very important announcement first. After a year of vlogging, I finally got to make my subscription letter. If you don't want to miss anything what's happening on my channel and what's happening on my blog and all this other cool stuff, then make sure to subscribe. I'm going to leave you the link below in the description. Or you can go to my website and sign up over there. Yeah! How awesome is that? But let's get to the calendars. So the first one is the Natural Minimalist Advent Calendar. Super easy, super sleek, just aesthetically pleasing Christmas decor. My favorite kind. Find a branch of evergreen, or maybe if you're going to be using a real tree this year, use the trimming from the bottom. Then just go ahead and tie 2 ropes on the ends and hang it on the wall. As you can see, my daughter always loved to help me with my projects. Then take 24 envelopes and put cute little tags on them. This tag that you see, you can download from my blog and just print it out and put it on your awesome advent calendar. Then I took these tiny clothespins and just attached it to the envelopes. And then I tied them to the branch. And that's pretty much it. Cut the loose ends and you have an amazing minimalist advent calendar. The best part about it, as always, that it's almost for free. Let me show you the evolution of my advent calendars. The advent calendar idea is relatively new to me, and since I'm from Russia and we didn't do anything like that growing up, it was so exciting to be introduced to this idea, and for the last 3 years I was making advent calendars every single year. So here you can see the evolution of my advent calendars. Please let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and as of me, I think my favorite is always the new one. And now is my favorite project. It took me some time to make it, but it was so worth it. It's so funny because it took me exactly the same amount of time as to build a dining table. That I hope you saw that video. I just made a dining table recently. How crazy is that? But the effort was well worth it, and I think it just looks so spectacular. And I'm pretty sure if you make this advent village in your home, you're just gonna get into Christmas spirit right away. And stay tuned till the end, because I'm gonna share with you a few ideas what to fill up this advent calendars for kids besides candy. Because come on, Halloween just happened and I'm pretty sure you kids have plenty of candy. So watch till the end to see what my kids usually get in their advent calendars. It's just so amazing. Oh my god, I cannot wait to show you guys. Let the magic happen. Take a template and trace it over on your cardboard. Not having to come up with a design will definitely shave off a couple of hours of work. Cut out the main piece and a roof. They're all marked in my template. Use a craft knife, since it will give you cleaner edges, but scissors work too. During the process, I've learned that you can take a ruler and use it while cutting with a craft knife. It would make edges cleaner and more even than doing it freehand. When the base for the house is ready, take a craft knife and make windows by simply cutting through. This will add some character to your advent calendar village. I added different window sizes, different shapes of doors, and I think it gives it a bit of a different look to all the houses, and they don't look like cookie cutters. I just did it freehand and wasn't worried much about it to be even, but if you're a perfectionist, then probably spend a little bit more time to cut windows precise. So we're gonna make 24 of these houses, and don't you worry, because I made templates for these houses and I uploaded them on my blog, so you can download it for free anytime you want. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description. I have to admit, it's kind of tedious to make these windows. so I only made it on 2 sides and didn't bother about the back of the house since it's not gonna be seen anyways. When making windows, also keep in mind which side will be the front one, so you'd want to attach a side to be on the back. Then go ahead, fold houses in the lines and using hot glue gun, attach it on the side. Glue the roof to the top, and when attaching the roof, glue one side first, wait for it to harden and then get to another side. And then just go ahead and make 24 of them. Yes, it's a bit time consuming. I think it took me about 4 hours to assemble them all, but I've learned a little trick. To save time, pre-cut all the houses before assembly and glue a bunch of them together, so not just one by one. Working in batches like that will certainly make work go faster. The most fun part about this is to place them and decorate them. My kids gladly helped me with that part, and it was super fun activity to do with them. We painted them in Candy Village colors. That's what I call them. I took a bunch of acrylic paints that I recently got from Arteza and painted the bases of the houses. You'd need to mix up white acrylic paint and add a drop of color to create this tender shade. At this point I had to figure out what to do with the roof. There were a few options: to paint it white, leave as it is, or add some snow, but it all didn't feel right. I got this idea to go an extra step and add clay to the roof. Wow, that was such a whole game changer. You need to roll out the clay and cut the rectangular to fit the roof of your house. It doesn't have to be perfect since you'll smooth out clay later. Cover cardboard roof with the clay and fold the ends inside. To make it look like roof tiles, take a rounded edge cutting tool for clay and from top to bottom, leave some marks. At first I was making roofs from red clay. My daughter was helping me out, and by helping out I mean she was sitting next to me and playing with the clay. She was mixing up her white clay and red. When I saw the effect it creates, I liked it so much that I started making roofs with mixed colors. It gives an effect of a bit aged roof to our Advent Village, and I just absolutely love it. This is what I call a happy accident. So don't be afraid to experiment and see what's gonna come out of it. Then leave the clay to dry. Let's talk about windows. I didn't like the way windows looked and the cardboard was shown. I tried to use Sharpie to paint the edges, but it didn't really work. And then I thought of taping it with washi tape, but it seemed like so much work that I decided to just use the white paint pen and draw some ornaments around the windows. It was such a fun project to make, and my kids are over the moon about this Advent Village. They constantly want to rearrange things, and I really hope it will survive till Christmas. So I was so excited to arrange it and photograph that I completely forgot to put numbers on it. So it's supposed to have numbers and I'm gonna add them later, but it's not shown on the video. Isn't it magical? Oh my god, guys, does it make you happy? I mean, it makes me so happy. Let's talk about advent calendar fillers for kids. I'm not a big fan of putting candy inside because, I mean, as I said, Halloween just happened, we have plenty of candy and I don't think they should eat anymore. So instead, what I do for the last 2 years, I make them craft/activity calendar. Every day in December leading up to Christmas, they open up their advent calendar and they see there what's their craft gonna be or what the activity gonna be, and it can include so many different things. It's like there's games, you know, like there's like making all the snowman, and there could be so many things and you can customize it as much as you want. But if you want to see my idea, I have craft activity advent calendar ideas for the 2-year-old and for 3-year-olds, and I'm now working on my 4-year-old because yes, I've got a 4-year-old now. So check it out on my blog. I'm gonna leave you the links below, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell button to be notified when I post new videos, because it's coming. And next week I'm gonna post twice, most likely Friday and Sunday, but I'm not sure about the first day yet. And stay tuned for more Christmas content, because the next one I'm gonna be making an advent calendar for my husband for this year, and I'm so super excited because let me tell you, it involves macrame. Oh my god, it's gonna be really super fun. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next week. Bye!